Hi, I'm Banat from OXO, and today I'll be demonstrating our innovative cookie press. A cookie press is great to have on hand when you're making large batches of cookies for the holidays or a bake sale. Ours comes with a large, comfortable lever that won't strain your hand and a non-slip base to keep the press steady on a cookie sheet. A contoured grip is comfortable to hold, and a clear cylindrical barrel allows you to see how much dough is left. The OXO cookie press comes with 12 fun and decorative cookie shapes for a variety of cookies. The discs are made of sturdy stainless steel and can be stored neatly in this compact storage case. Now let me show you how easy it is to use. First, twist the bottom ring to remove it from the cookie press. Insert your desired cookie disc and reattach to the barrel. Press the soft quick release button to pull the plunger up completely. Then twist to remove the top of the cookie press from the barrel. A cookie press uses dough of a specific consistency, not too hard and not too soft. Load the dough into the barrel and then reattach the top of the cookie press. Prime the press by pumping down on the lever until the dough comes out of the bottom of the disc and wipe off any excess. Hold the cookie press flat against a clean, cold, ungreased baking sheet. This is important to ensure that cookies stick to the sheet for baking. Pump the lever down once to release a cookie, then move the press and repeat until the barrel is empty. When you're done, you should have dozens of delicious, beautiful cookies. For added variety, you can use sprinkles or food dyes to decorate your cookies.
Spectacular two-tone icing is now within your grasp with the Lakeland Duo Colour Icing Kit. Never before has two-tone icing been this easy. A simple but effective dual compartment bag keeps the icing separate. But the magic really happens when the clever coupler brings them together in a controlled flow. The set contains 6 nozzles, a coupler set, 4 large and 4 small disposable icing bags. Our favourite combination is raspberry jam and lemon curd flavoured icing. There is no limit to the colour combinations that you could use. Switch the nozzle for a different effect and away you go. Cupcakes, birthday cakes, swirls and beautiful piping. Get adventurous with the Lakeland Duo Colour Icing Kit.
Say goodbye to messy pastry bags once and for all. Our decorating tool is easy to use, easy to fill, and easy to clean. It allows you to decorate sheet cakes, batches of cupcakes, plates of pastries, and more. The unique trigger design provides a steady, consistent stream of icing for clean lines in one continuous motion, while the comfortable handles ensure a steady grip and protect the icing from warming up in your hands. The generous, BPA-free barrel is clear to show how much icing is left, while the plunger dispenses every last bit. The decorating tool comes with 6 large and small professional quality stainless steel tips, including a filling injector. They're all easily interchangeable, even when the tool has icing in it. The set includes a fine round tip, a round tip, a small open star, a large closed star, a large open star, and a filling tip. And the cleanup is even easier. The decorating tool comes apart for easy cleaning, and all parts are completely dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. Pack the icing into the barrel to avoid air bubbles that could interrupt constant streams of icing. Use this tool for whipped cream, deviled egg filling, and pâte à choux dough.